Back on campus this morning, university officials gathered outside of the CMMS building to announce the creation of Troy's new academic college, the College of Science and Engineering. Along with this creation came the school's first undergraduate engineering program. Ty Davidson has the details.
As the world progresses further into an age of technology, electronics, and AI, there is a growing emphasis on STEM education, and it has not gone unnoticed by Troy University. Wednesday morning, university officials announced the opening of a new college that will be focused on engineering.
Well, I think this is really a leap forward for Troy University. You know, over its entire history, Troy has tried to change and evolve with the needs of the state. And right now we're seeing an increased demand for STEM fields.
The soft sciences, the social sciences have moved on to other locations, and what remains is just nothing but the hard sciences. And so the College of Science and Engineering will be involved only in the hard sciences.
Menon believes this focus on hard science will allow for development of other Troy programs as well.
This is important as we advance our curriculum, as we bring on more engineering programs and very technical programs. We cannot teach out of old textbooks. We have to advance knowledge.
Palmer expects the newly established college will grow the university in other ways.
I think this move in creating the engineering program will help us attract students to this institution that I think in the past have not even given us a look. If they find out we don't have engineering, that's where the interest stops.
Executive Vice President of the Business Council of Alabama, Clay Schofield, believes this new development will also benefit Alabama as a whole.
This is the future. This represents jobs of today and jobs of tomorrow. Troy being on the front end and ahead of the curve to make sure that they're preparing students is impressive, and it's important, and it's forward thinking, and we're just excited to be a part of it.
Part of the morning's press conference included the announcement of a new undergraduate program, the Bachelor of Science in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Ty Davidson, Troy, TrojanVision News.
The new engineering degree will be available for students starting in the fall of 2025.